Nestled within the picturesque Camp Cove lies Lee House, a stunning two-story home that seamlessly blends the past with the present. This unique residence reimagines a derelict fisherman's cottage into a contemporary haven. Though modest in size, it offers a sense of calm and functionality. Light, material, and form were meticulously considered, creating a space ordered around this central element. From the interior, a thoughtfully designed sequence of spaces leads to an outdoor patio, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Carefully positioned windows and openings offer surprising and delightful glimpses of the garden, encouraging a sense of oneness with nature. The open-plan kitchen and living space is the heart of the home, designed for family and friends to gather. The space exudes tranquility, offering both warmth and comfort, whether enjoying a meal together or relaxing by the fire. A touch of mystery is added through the skylight, drawing the eye upwards and illuminating the center of the room. Every element, from the practical to the beautiful, contributes to this unique and captivating atmosphere. From the street, Lee House appears as a traditional restoration, preserving the existing streetscape. However, a closer look reveals a gradual evolution into contemporary forms, showcasing a harmonious blend of past and present. Lee House is a testament to thoughtful design, where heritage is honored while embracing the future. It offers a space of tranquility, connection, and timeless beauty.